gonna have to
faces.
probably have some fix some dinner.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah.
Gonna have to roast that garlic.
And clumsy legs and is rather
you going?
fierce. Yeah.
Seven.
I didn't find it, Mama. I mean, when I go sit down beside Barney, can't drink or something. I want cookie. No. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mommy. What are you doing out there?
Ooh, look at you.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Yeah, film her. Yeah,
Film who?
Film her.
They want you to film me. I don't know why.
Film her.
Look at this hair.
Okay, girls.
Hi.
Where are we going?
To see Mrs. Doubtfire.
Uh-huh. What's it about? Do you know?
Yes.
What is it about,
She
Jessica?
puts a pie in her face.
Oh,
She says hi.
and she says hi. Do you know anything about it, Brandy? Go ahead, speak your mind.
Tell the camera what you told Mom today. She told me you guys were going to see a movie and I asked her what it was about. Oh no. And she said, well, it's about a woman that pumps up her boobs. And I said, oh no.
It's about a man.
A man that pumps up his boobs.
Oh,
But
wow.
I'm stuck. It's only a lady. It's a lady.
But the lady pumps up her boobs.
Is it a man or is it a woman?
Is that
I guess we'll have to go see. Say bye, girls.
Bye. Come over.
Smile real big. Jesse, you too. Missing teeth, right and left, here and there, everywhere.
I don't think so.
And now stand up and turn around. Well, turn around again. Well, look at me. There you go, pretty girl. You don't like it, do you? You want to go to school like this? How come?
Because I look stupid.
Oh, you don't. You're talking about my daughter. Ah!
You know my son?
Hey, you. I'm ready.
Okay. I think I've made my wish. Okay.